Hey guys, how are you? This is Mr. Argueta coming to you week number 4. All right, so I wanted to get you guys an update. You do not have to respond for a grade on this video. This video is just informational purposes. You can say hi. You can keep in contact. Cup of coffee, guys. Cheers here. Um, you can say hi. I definitely would like to hear how your week is going and what's going on with you. The purpose of this video is just to give you an understanding of what to expect, what's going on, what's happened, all that good stuff. So, last week we did a SWOT analysis, the strengths, weaknesses, opportunity, and threats. Everybody seemed to understand it very well. I appreciate that. Thank you for your efforts and all your work. Week number 4 really consists of your 2 chapters that you're used to and your midterm. So, what to expect on the midterm if you haven't done it yet? It's a multiple choice midterm. You can only take it one time. So, please know that um, you only have one shot at this. Also, give me 1 second, guys. Normally, there is a time limit, but yeah, I wanted to make sure I removed it. I removed the time limit from you guys, so there is no time limit in your midterm. You could start and take as long as you want. So make sure you remember that the questions on the midterm are questions that you have already seen. They're in your weekly quizzes. So that's all I'm going to say about that. It shouldn't be too difficult. It should be pretty straightforward, and there shouldn't be anybody that has a hard time with this. I am going to be updating grades here very soon. I want to make sure that I get you guys an accurate sense of what your grade is or what your grade should be. I'll be putting in the last 2 grade discussions. If for some reason you skipped a discussion, please go back and do it. That's going to be the best way to handle that. Ultimately, discussions, as I've been saying for a while, are a huge part of your grade. So you do not want to miss discussions. You want to get as many points as possible on your discussions. All right, so that being said, as I said, you do not have to reply for a grade. This is not a graded discussion. It is only for informational purposes and to stay in contact with you. Week number 5 that's coming up, you will be talking about what is the difference. I saw that a lot of people already went in there and did that discussion. Understand that I only grade the weekly discussions for the week that's corresponding. So if you did a discussion about the difference between a manager and a leader, you are 1 week ahead of your discussion. So this week there is no graded discussion. Then we have week number 6, which goes into what I call my favorite discussion. It looks like a bunch of people try to do some of that. I will not be grading that till we get to week number 6. And then, as you all know, this class only goes to week 7. So week 7 is our final. Our final is going to be very similar to our midterm, so you should be very familiar with that. And let me make sure I got one more thing of information for you. Okay, so I do not accept late assignments. I have said this in the past. I do not accept late work other than discussions because they're so important for you, but not McGraw-Hill work. But in return, to not try to be unfair or to try to be unfair, no, that doesn't sound right. In the effort of not being fair to everyone, that's a better statement. In the effort of not being fair to everyone, I do not accept late assignments, but I will now, as we speak, drop your lowest one assignment, which is like a Learn Smart, and 2 of your lowest homework or quizzes. Depends which one's lower. Now, you are not going to see a 0 or an exemption on your thing. It's only going to, system's only going to look for those grades and not calculated in your final grade. So, a lot of times people say, can you drop this or drop that? No, the system does it automatically. I don't have to do anything. I just did that. I just processed that. So if you missed a class or a grade or something like that, or had a bad week, this is equivalent to 1 chapter worth of work. So this should help you out. Other than that, guys, it's been getting colder. As you can see, I have my sweater on today, and I got a haircut. It's not my typical hairstyle that I do, but it is what it is. It's hair; it'll grow. And to this morning, it's about 8 o'clock now, and I wish you guys can smell this coffee. So delicious. As I told you before, I found another sugar. This one's actually from Splenda, but it's monk sugar. It's 100% natural monk sugar, as I told you guys before. I'm not promoting it. I'm just telling you what I do, sharing with you a little of my life. I had my son come up from Barrie, and we had a good time. He had a weekend with us. He's spending a lot of time out there in Rome. He lives on campus, so he doesn't come up much. But anyhow, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. For the most part, just wanted to inform you about that. If you have not registered for your classes for spring, please do so right away. Spring registration is going on as we speak. Talk to your advisor about that. And what else? Oh, you guys have a survey in your email. Please complete that survey. If the class has been good to you, do me a favor and let me know that. Put it in there. If you're not happy with the class, I wouldn't mind if you forget about the survey. I'm joking. I'm joking, guys. Don't take that serious. That's my sarcasm, my Chicago sarcasm. So forgive me for that. No, either way, fill out your survey. It's important to know how you feel about the class and how you feel about stuff. I do read every post that is put out there, so I appreciate the stuff that you guys are saying. Thank you for responding to the video. It feels as if I'm connecting with you at some level, and I appreciate that. I'm a person that likes to be present and likes to be connected to the people I'm associated with. So I appreciate you responding and telling me a little bit about you and your life and that you appreciate these videos. Thank you. That's very, very appreciated. I think that's it. Yesterday was Halloween. As you guys know, I've mentioned this before. I did not dress up. My wife did dress up as Batwoman. Or Batgirl, I guess, not woman, Batgirl. She's a teacher. She's a 4th grade teacher at City Park, Miss Argueta. And nothing there. Just kind of, I went, did my yoga. I do heated yoga on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So I went to do my yoga and went to eat at, where did we go eat? Oh, Oakwood Cafe dinner yesterday. And then that's it. I went home, guys. It was a pretty uneventful Halloween for me. I didn't even get candy. So if you guys got a bucket of candy from your kids, you could send some my way. Anyhow, guys, that's it. I don't want to make it too long. I just wanted to get in contact with you. Like I said, this is not a graded post. This is just a get to know each other type of situation. So feel free to reply and tell me how your week is going. Stay warm out there. Stay safe, guys. Have a wonderful week, and we will talk to you next time.